We have right now the photographs. The one on the left is the photograph of the president, and the one on the right is the photograph of the president. The one on the left is the photograph of the unidentified man. These photos were taken from the video presented to us by our cybercrime division. It was submitted to laboratory examination using the multispectral comparator and the forensic image analyzer, using different wavelengths of light and different sources of light. In this case, we use the white light for the first two images, particularly focusing on the ear as it appears on the photograph of the president and on the ear of the unidentified man. We also use infrared light to examine the contour of the ear, or the shape of the ear. And the more detailed anatomical explanation will be discussed by our forensic and clinical officer to describe the differences between the two contours of the ear.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon to all of you here, or to all of you here. So, if I may refresh your anatomy of the ear, this is the helix, this is the antihelix, this is the lobule, this is the tragus, this is the antitragus, and this is the intertragal notch. So, as you can see, from the two photos that were presented as done spectral analysis from the video spectral analysis, you can see that this the tragal notch here are embossed. Compared here, we just not that embossed. Also, the intertragal notch is larger here. This is narrower in this picture. Also, the antitragus here is more embossed as compared here, which is not embossed. So it means this picture is definitely not the same.
Teka muna, pakita na natin ito. Ito na nga, hindi naman kasi ako doktor ha, pero tingnan niyo po itong ibabang nito. Ang tawag nila helix, yung parang tanukak. Tingnan niyo sa napapakingga pa, tingnan niyo, mas malapad, mas tubig, mas bagsak. Tingnan niyo sa pangulo, manipis, mas pumas. Doc, can you explain to them na ito yung parang fingerprint, bawat isang tao may unique na gana?
So this feature of the pinna of the ear is what we observe for photograph images of the person that is being at the side. So we can see that this is unique to the president, this side, and it is unique to this man to this side.